Welcome back, day 2. I hope that you're not doing this in the same day, or that if you are doing it in the same day, you've decided to take a break. A big break between lesson 5 and 6 is recommended. Allow that to sort of stay in your brain, do some stewing and work. Now we're going to talk about following people back. Lesson 6, you made it. So let's go ahead and look at our notifications. We did this a little bit in the last video because it just happened to work out that way. So let's look at this. Let's see. This is just somebody liked my tweet, which just happens to be me. Warren and Patrick both liked a tweet I was mentioned in. So this, instead of following people back, is more of an aggressive situation. So I'm going to open this in a new tab and open this in a new tab so I don't lose my place. Warren builds websites. He's a WordPress person. So I'm going to put this on WordPress Professionals and save and then follow. And then Patrick is a small business. He's an IT guy. And I'm going to follow him there. Now let's go back. Okay, Best Staub Adventure Autoglass followed us, and her as a photographer. Kevin McTaggart was yesterday. So we've pretty much caught up. We're following people back. Again, if you see that somebody followed you, it will be a notification, or you can always check on, oh, see, I missed one. Speak to Web followed us. So I'm going to go to their account. Click the 3 dots, which is called the shish kebab menu. Go to add or remove from lists. They are a WordPress company. Click save and follow. Now, if you want to level up on following people back, don't say, thanks for following me. Okay? That's just dumb. Instead, kind of to level up as a bonus, because it's only been 2 minutes in this video, I'll tell you this. You can go to their account and find something that you can reply to that makes sense, okay? So this first tweet, they're saying that they're working on something special that's going to change voice tech and AI, which means automated intelligence or automation and intelligence. So stay tuned. And they have a picture of a bear eating a salmon. Whoa, whoa, chicken on a bear. So I'm going to write back and say, wow, that is exciting, and press reply. So remember, it's social media. It's supposed to be a conversation. I also want to mention that I have some resources on my website besides my book, Keys to Being Social, which goes through a lot more in depth than these Twitter lessons that can apply to Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, etc. But also I have another ebook on my website called If You Don't Mind Your Business, Who Will? And it goes through how to market yourself as a small business, how to organize your thoughts, how to keep a journal with your customer pain points, and how to figure out what to write. And if you follow the instructions in this, you can actually have a 300 to 500 word article published on your blog once a month for a whole year. I even have journal prompts in there. If you add the discount code that I just set up called YouTube, you will get 20% off. I mean, it's a pretty good deal. I'm not putting it in the comments, so it's only for the people that watched. Anyway, so do that. You have your homework. Follow people back. And then as a bonus tip, find a tweet from them that you can reply to. Not, thanks for following me. That's really dumb. Okay, ready? Do your homework, and then I'll see you in the next one.